Hello and welcome to AI Info Center. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore how it's transforming our daily lives. From recommending your next favorite movie, to predicting traffic for your daily commute, to even diagnosing diseases, AI is everywhere. So buckle up and join us on this exciting journey as we unravel the mysteries of AI and its practical applications. Let's satisfy our curiosity and discover how AI is not just a buzzword, but a reality that's shaping our world every day. Stay tuned and let's get started. Imagine waking up to your favorite song playing gently. Your smart assistant knows your morning routine and sets the perfect alarm for you. This is AI making your morning smoother and more pleasant. As you sip your coffee, you browse through personalized news articles. AI curates these stories based on your reading habits and interests. You stay informed without the clutter, saving time and energy every day. You ask your voice assistant about today's weather. Instantly, you get a detailed forecast. AI processes vast amounts of data to provide accurate weather updates, helping you plan your day effortlessly. Heading out for work, your GPS suggests the fastest route. AI analyzes traffic patterns in real time, ensuring you avoid congestion. You reach your destination faster, reducing stress and enhancing productivity. During your commute, you listen to a playlist recommended by your music app. AI understands your musical taste and mood, curating a perfect mix. Your journey becomes enjoyable and relaxing. At work, your email filters out spam and highlights important messages. AI scans and categorizes your emails, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Your efficiency and productivity increase significantly. Need a quick answer to a question? You turn to a chatbot on a website. AI-powered chatbots provide instant, accurate responses, saving you from long waits and improving your customer service experience. Shopping online, you notice product recommendations tailored just for you. AI analyzes your browsing and purchase history, suggesting items you're likely to love. You discover new products effortlessly, enhancing your shopping experience. In the evening, you relax and watch a movie recommended by your streaming service. AI studies your viewing history and preferences, suggesting films and shows that match your taste. You always find something enjoyable to watch. Cooking lunch or dinner, you use a smart recipe app that suggests dishes based on ingredients you have. Artificial intelligence considers your dietary preferences and nutritional needs, helping you prepare healthy meals with ease. After dinner, you engage in a virtual fitness class. AI tracks your performance and provides personalized feedback. Your workouts are more effective and enjoyable, helping you stay fit and healthy. Before bed, you read a book recommended by your e-reader. AI learns your reading preferences and suggests titles you're likely to enjoy. You discover new authors and genres, enriching your literary experience. As you drift off to sleep, your smart home adjusts the temperature and lighting for optimal comfort. AI ensures your home environment is perfect for a good night's rest, improving your sleep quality. From morning to night, AI seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. It simplifies tasks, saves time, and enhances your experiences. Embrace the convenience and possibilities of AI in your everyday life. And that brings us to the end of our journey today through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Remember, AI isn't just about technology, it's about making our lives better and solving real-world problems. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the future is AI, and the future is now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AI Info Center for more exciting AI content. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Goodbye and take care.